and sore throat pain. I have all of those. You probably tell by the sound of my voice and the cough that I just made. I am not well. So I got this and I thought we'd crack this bad boy open. So we crack it open. And there we have it. Love! Okay, so there it is. Benylil. Benylin. Benylin, there you go. My brain is not working fully functioning today. So yeah. Let's remove this top area thingy-majig. It's pretty smooth all the way around. So let's remove it. There you go. It just pops straight off, the whole thing. Nice. Okay, so let's crack it open. And wait, I had to crack this open, and then there's another.